So giving up the pride means give up all kinds of egos and only serve the divine couple in Vraj. So the question arises here. If we have our bodies, then we have some kind of ego and pride. If we are in the body, then the nature of the body is there. To sleep, to eat, this is all the nature of the body. So you have to keep that, like you have to follow this nature of the body, to do those things. So if you take complete shelter of bhakti, how can you maintain your life? Otherwise, it's not possible to maintain your life. Second doubt, page 20, Manashiksha. The second doubt is that if one adopts single-minded worship of Sri Radha Krishna Yugala, then how is Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to be regarded? If one performs bhajan of Sriman Mahaprabhu, consider him also as one's object of worship, then there being two objects of worship, the devotion is not single-minded, Ananya. And the third uncertainty is in what devotional mood should one meditate upon the spiritual master. So yesterday we heard. So do not perform, page 21, do not perform any religious or religious activities mentioned in the Vedas. The Dharma and Adharma are described in the Shrutis, the original four Vedas and Upanishads. If they are completely prohibited, then it's not possible to live even for a moment. Therefore, Srila Raghunath Das Goswami has not prohibited all activities of the sense organs. There are two kinds of people in this world, the learned, Bigya, and the ignorant, Agga. So the ignorant do not work unless disciplined, and if they do act independently, it only results in inauspiciousness. Therefore, all activities described in the Shrutis and their attendant literature, the Smritis, have been divided into Dharma and Adharma. So, the rules of the Vedas is for the Agya people, the ignorant people. For the welfare of such persons, so that they may easily abstain from inauspicious activities and engage in auspicious ones. Papa karma is Ashubha. Sinful activities is inauspicious. We should not do that. We should not lie. Should only speak the truth. Should speak the truth. So the Shastras gives all these rules. If you like to do good karma, help others, is the duty of the human beings. So the duty of the human beings is to help others, to do welfare to other people, to others in general. The animals, they don't have this behavior. Sometimes we may see just a little bit in the animals, but not always. So, if some animal is in some problem, maybe another animal will help him. We see this behavior sometimes, but we don't see this always. But a human being, yes, we will see this for sure. The human being is helping others, to help others, give donation, help others. This that happens with human beings. So nitya karma and naimittik karma. Like for example, the nitya karma of the Brahmanas. Do fire sacrifice, read the Vedas. This is the duty of the Brahmanas.
सत्य शौच अहिंसा ये ब्राह्मण के कार्य कहा जाता है.
So we see, for example, speak the truth, non-violence. This is also the nature of the activities of the Brahmanas.
आने पर जो कर्म आदि करते हैं नैमित्तिक कर्म कहा जाता
So
है.
this temporary karma, naimittika karma. Suppose
कि साधक क्रिया आदि जो करते हैं जो
if your parents give up their body, then you do some shraddha for them, shraddha ceremony. This is naimittic karma.
कर दिया पिता
This is not always.
पिताजी के
And also, for example, once a year you do some fire sacrifice for some shraddha for your
आदि करते
father who has passed away. Then every year you make some oblation for him.
नहीं करते.
You don't do it every day.
तो कहा गया
But to worship the God is
दैनिक कर्म
every day.
नित्य कर्म है.
So there is dainik karma, means daily karma activities, or also called nitya karma. Every day you do, like eternal in the way it's like every day.
उनके लिए जो
But sometimes you do like naimittik karma. Sometimes you do some activities, like for example, once in a year you, or when your parents die, or once in a year, on their behalf you feed the brahmanas and do fire sacrifice.
दुर्कर ये समझ जो दिया गया ये साधारण लोगों की विधान दिया गया
So these rules are for ordinary people,
है कि नहीं?
isn't it?
क्योंकि विज्ञान लोग किसी को कहते हैं जो
But those who are bigya, learned,
निष्ठा रखने वाले
they have nishta, one-pointed in Krishna. They are bigya. They are intelligent people, learned people. They are one-pointed.
एकांतिक भाव रखने वाले एकमात्र राधा कृष्ण की जुगल है। प्रभु
And
की
they
सेवा करने का
only serve Radha and Krishna, the divine couple.
साधक के जीवन में भी आवश्यक कार्य है, भगवत सेवामयी भावना से किए जाए। वर्णाश्रम निष्ठ अवस्था में वेद भी तो सारे कार्य भी भगवत सेवा के लिए भावना से ही होनी चाहिए। गृहस्थ वक्त घर में ठाकुर सेवा
So the householder devotees, page 21, last paragraph. Householder devotees should worship deities at home. And all activities like earning money, maintaining family members, protecting assets, building a house, and so on, should be done as an offering to the deities.
भगवान में संस्कृत होकर के जो कार्य आदि करते
So when you do something, when you're surrendered to God, then there's no fault at all. This is what's being described, explained.
अथवा त्यागी हो
Whether you are married or you are renounced.
अपने गृह के भगवान
So the Grihastha Bhakta, he
है, आश्रम जान करके
sees his house
सेवा आदि कर
as like a place of the deity.
क्या माना चाहिए?
He sees the deity as a mandir, as a temple, Griha Mandir.
उस गृह मंदिर में पति पत्नी आदि के साथ
And then wife and husband together, they stay in this Griha Mandir, the temple of the house.
व्यवहार लौकिक व्यवहार आदि कर
And they have also to follow some worldly behaviors, worldly duties.
यह समझकर अपने को तो केवल प्रभु का सेवक
One should consider oneself simply as a servant of the Lord.
भोक्ता बनकर
Under no circumstance should one think oneself to be an enjoyer and thus exploit the fruit of activities for one's own selfish enjoyment.
ये समस्त कर्म के फल भगवान विष्णु में
So you have to offer the fruit of everything to Vishnu.
हरिभक्ति विलास ग्रंथ में कहे गए
In the book Haribhakti Vilas explains that religious rituals such as the offering of foodstuff to the forefathers should also be done in the mode of service to the Lord. So Haribhakti Vilas explains how
श्राद्धादि
Shraddha and the ceremonies
अनुष्ठान भगवत सेवा
have to do in the mood of service to the Lord, service of the Lord,
माता पिता आदि
to the Lord. Like
उद्देश्य से
you're offering to your parents,
प्रसाद निवेदन करके दिया
but actually you're offering them some prasad of Bhagavan.
हो जाता है।
In this way they will be able to get this prasad by this offering of Shraddha.
जब वही विष्णु जग के अधिष्ठात्री देवता
Also,
है,
who is the deity, presiding deity of the fire sacrifice? Is Vishnu.
करने से ही
So you offer first to Vishnu, and if you offer to Vishnu, all the demigods and demigoddesses, they become pleased.
मूले ते सिलसिले जल हो जाते हैं मूले ते सिलसिले जल साबिर में हरी भरी हो जाती है। उसी प्रकार सबसंग भगवान की सेवा करने से देव देवता भी प्रसन्न हो जाते
If you serve Swayam Bhagavan, even demigods and demigoddesses, they are pleased. In this context, yesterday I told a story that my Gurudev told. Do you remember the story? I told the story about my Gurudev. There was a Grihastha devotee.
संतान संतति नहीं
He had no children.
कम से लोग देव गुरु की पूजा आदि करते रहते
Generally in Bengal, the people
हैं, सब करते हैं सब
in Bengal, they worship so much Devi, Durga. Here also, everyone's house they have Devi Durga, but in Bengal a lot.
काली मैया
So
पूजा करते हैं लोग
these So people worship Kali Maiya.
संतान नहीं हुई,
So this person, he didn't have children. So he
देवी माता के जाकर के बोले
came to Devi Mata, like Kali, Durga, and told, oh, if I would have a son, I would sacrifice something to you. But he didn't say what he would offer as a sacrifice, but he just said he would give something in sacrifice or offering something to the Devi. So, okay.
ऐसे करते करते जब
Then,
बोले और उनके पुत्र संतान भी
so really, he told this and then he got a son. He really got a son, very nice.
उनके
So,
पति पत्नी और उनके बेटा भी
later on in life,
52 वर्ष में
her husband and wife and also their son, they took shelter of the feet of my Gurudev, Srila Vamana Goswami Maharaj. They took Diksha from him,
कहते 10-12 साल हो गया,
and 10-12 years passed. Once, Devi Kali,
उनको धमकाने लगी,
she was putting pressure on him, like,
मैं बेटा तुमको दे दिया,
oh, I gave you that son, before you didn't have a son, and until now, you haven't given anything to me and didn't offer anything to me as you promised.
जल्दी मुझे बलि चढ़ाओ,
Quickly, give me some sacrifice something for me.
तेरे बेटा को मैं मार दूंगी, ऐसे ऐसे धमकाने,
Otherwise, I will kill your son. So Devi Kali was like threatening him. But you know, the parents of this boy, they had taken shelter of Gurudeva. So they came to Gurudeva and they explained the story. Devi Kali came in our dreams and she's threatening us. What should we do?
गुरुदेव ने कोई चिंता मत करो,
Gurudeva said, don't worry.
काम करो,
Do one thing.
एक समय देखो, अच्छी समय
Let's seek some good moments, good timing,
करो, ठाकुर जी की सब भोग लगाओ,
and offer a lot of prasada to the deity.
उनके घर में मेरे गुरुदेव की प्रतिष्ठित जो है
Actually, in their house, there was a deity that my Gurudev had established.
विग्रह है,
The deity of Radha and Krishna, you know.
ठाकुर जी के
So, offer boga to this deity
और
and
भोग लगा, और भोग लगाया,
so they offered boga to the deity.
राग करके क्या की,
And then what did they do?
जो ठाकुर जी को भोग दिया, उसी भोग
They
को
offer-
देवी
This boga that they had offered to the deity, they offered to Kali. And also many Vaishnavas came, they fed everyone, they spent a lot of money in this festival of Prasadam. And
उस दिन से देवी काली उनके सपने में नहीं आई,
so that day, Devi Kali didn't come in their dreams, but Devi Kali herself came to my Gurudev and told him, look,
ये मैं जानती हूँ,
I know that
ये सारे परिवार जो है तुम्हारे चरण
all his family has taken shelter of your feet. So I know that I cannot do anything with them. I cannot harm them in whatsoever.
के प्रसाद दिया,
But this special of Radha and Krishna that you offered to me, I don't know why this
राधा
happened.
कृष्ण के प्रसाद दिया,
So this prasad of Radha and Krishna gave to me.
उससे मैं प्रसन्न हो गया,
I'm so happy that I got this prasadam.
इसलिए उनको
Actually, that was why I was threatening him actually, because actually
राधा कृष्ण के प्रसाद मुझे
I wanted him to offer me prasad of Radha and Krishna.
देखो राधा कृष्ण के प्रसाद ग्रहण करने,
See, so even demigods, they are so eager to get the prasad of Radha and Krishna.
बहुत सुंदर सुंदर कथाएं हमारे गुरुदेव
This
की
story is
जीवन
so beautiful.
की जो है,
This is the story of the life of my Gurudeva. This happened in his life.
जिन लोगों ने दर्शन, आप दर्शन किया गुरुदेव को,
Have you had darshan of my
नहीं
Gurudeva?
आया, तो उस समय आती थी तो,
No?
हाँ हाँ हाँ, नहीं किया सर, 92 तक आए थे, 94, 95 तक तो गुरुदेव तो आए थे,
92 or 94 that Gurudev came to Mathura. You didn't see him at the time. Srila Vamana Maharaj.
हाँ, तो इसी प्रकार इधर भी कह रहे हैं,
So here is saying, this look is saying,
भक्ति विलास,
I don't know why this is happening all the time.
इस श्लोक भी कह रहे हैं, हरिभक्ति विलास ग्रंथ अनुष्ठान में भगवत सेवा की भावना से करना चाहिए,
So even if we do this Shraddha ceremony or anything, we should do as a mode of service to Lord.
पाठ पूजा आदि करके सब भगवान विष्णु में अर्पित कर दूं,
So whatever you do, like some worship or anything,
वैष्णव वैष्णव ही है,
you do in the offering to Vishnu. Yes, actually, I want to say that all demigods, they are devotees of Lord Vishnu.
वैष्णव देवी दर्शन के लिए है क्या वो?
So people go to have the darshan of Vaishnavi Devi.
देवियां क्या करती है?
Actually, all the Devis, demigods, demigoddesses,
की आराधना करना,
they are worshipping Bhagavan Sri Hari.
हाँ, आज समझ, चलो इसलिए कहते हैं अधिकार संपन्न पुरुषों के वर्णाश्रम धर्म निष्ठा दूर होने पर उनके लिए स्वरूपतः ब्रजवास और जुगल की अनन्य सेवा परिचर्या सहज
Upon attaining eligibility, one transcends his attachment to and dependence upon the principles of Varnashram.
ये वर्णाश्रम धर्म के ऊपर आप आसक्ति नहीं रखोगे,
So, the more you practice, will not be attached to
कैसे
Varnashram.
करना पड़ता है।
Externally, you still need to follow Varnashram, otherwise the society will be destroyed.
इसलिए कह रहे सर्वतः ब्रज में वास करना जुगल की
At such a time, factual residence in Vraja and unallowed service to the divine couple becomes natural and easy. Those who cannot physically live in Braj should do so mentally.
मन से भी ब्रजवास करेंगे, क्योंकि लोगों की अनेक बार विशेष करके संत महात्मा हो अथवा गृहस्थ हो, सब ब्रज
So the
में
saints,
शरीर के द्वारा रहना संभव नहीं होता है।
not everybody can stay in with your body in Braj. But still, wherever you stay, you serve in the Braj mode in your mind. So what is there for, what is Braj mood? The mood of Braja.
सर्वानंद मुकुंद दैतम लीलानुकूलम परम शास्त्र स्फुटमिष्टम जंचया ब्रह्मादि सत्स्वेन मोदियम तया बंदते। हमारे रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी इस श्लोक
Raghunath Das Goswami, he describes in this verse.
ब्रज में रह करके हम कैसे भजन करें,
How can we stay in Braj and do bhajan?
तो भावना को जो है आप लाइए,
We must have the aprakrita bhav, transcendental moods, at least impose arup,
जिसको कहते हैं आरोप सिद्धा भक्ति होती है,
arup siddha bhakti, then sangha siddha bhakti, then
स्वरूप सिद्धा भक्ति में प्रवेश करें।
swarupa siddha bhakti.
ब्रज की जितने भी वस्तु
Page 22, first paragraph. Page 22, first paragraph. Everything is Manashiksha book, English edition. Everything you see in Braj, everything is meant for
अनुकूल सब है, प्रति
helping for Krishna's pastimes. Nothing is unfavorable.
होना चाहिए।
So you should have these moods.
हरिदास ठाकुर,
Like suppose Haridas Thakur.
सपेरा है ना, सांप जो
You know, a snake charmer came,
और
was showing like a show with the snake. And then the snake was moving its hoods. And then Haridas Thakur was thinking and dancing. What he was thinking about? He was chanting holy names and feeling bliss upon and dancing. What was his mood when he saw the snake? He thought, oh, how Krishna, he
नृत्य किया,
danced on the hoods of Kaliya, how Krishna subdued the Kaliya demon.
कहीं भी रहे,
So wherever you are, England, America, or Bengal, or wherever you are,
भावना
the mood
है ब्रज की भावना,
should be the mood of Braj.
इस लीला स्मरण राज्य का,
Remembering,
इसलिए कहते हैं
sorry, remembering the Leelas of Braj.
संग गोष्ठे समस्ते तत् सर्वानंद मुकुंद द्वैतम, मुकुंद के अत्यंत प्रिय कहा जाए और
So very dear to Mukunda
लीलानुकूलम, लीला के अनुकूल है, लीला
and
के प्रतिकूल कोई नहीं है।
favorable to Krishna's pastimes, not unfavorable. This is the mood.
ये भावना है, तब ब्रजवास हो जाता है। और जो ब्रज में रह करके भी कर रहे हैं अति उत्तम है ही।
Those who stay in Braj are also absorbed in this mood. This is very nice, highest.
के निवास करना सहज हो जाता है। वर्णाश्रम धर्म निष्ठा दूर होने पर उनके लिए सर्वतः ब्रजवास और जुगल की अनन्य सेवा परिचर्या सहज हो जाती है। जिन लोगों के लिए ब्रजमंडल में
Those who cannot physically live in Braj should do so mentally. Last paragraph, first paragraph, page 22.
करेंगे, इसलिए कहते हैं ब्रज परिवास ये निखिल जकाल करह जापन है। हमारे भक्ति ठाकुर का
Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur says,
जीवन को व्यतीत करे,
you should spend your life living in Braj.
चिंता के लिए करते
Means thinking about Braj.
नाम करते रहे,
Chant holy names
करते
and chanting holy names. Think about Braj.
इसलिए भक्ति वेदांत साईं महाराज
Like Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj told.
न्यूयॉर्क में अपने डिसाइपल भी कह रहे हैं,
He told his disciples when he was in New York. He told,
ये मैं
actually I am,
अमेरिका में नहीं हूँ, मैं सदा
I'm not in America. I'm always in Braj. Braj. Because the mood of Braj, thinking about the mood of Braj.
ये विशेष रूप में दिखाया है। फिर सचिनंदन गौर हरि
Number 2, meditate on Sri Sachinandana as non-different from Sri Nandanandana.
संसार में फंसे हुए विमुख जीवों की
in order to distribute the holy name and the most radiant divine love that was never previously given, Anarapita Anuttajala Prem, to the living entities diverted from Krishna and entangled in worldly affairs, Srinandana appears in the form of Shri Chaitanya Gaurahari.
महाप्रभु चैतन्य महाप्रभु कौन है इसके
Who is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu?
भली भांति
Have to understand very well who is Mahaprabhu.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु स्वयं कृष्ण है
Mahaprabhu is God himself, Krishna. Inside he is Krishna, externally he is Gaura.
मैं थोड़ा बहुत देखता हूं, ज्यादा लोग भागवत
Nowadays, I see people only speak Bhagavad Katha. Everybody knows Bhagavad Katha, Bhagavad Saptaha. But the Katha of Mahaprabhu,
चैतन्य भागवत सप्ताह ये
Chaitanya Bhagavad Saptaha, very few people do Chaitanya Bhagavad Saptaha.
आज समझ
Do you understand?
महाप्रभु की कथा अधिक
But the Katha of Mahaprabhu, we should actually preach even more than Bhagavad Katha.
लिख रहे हैं
Bhaktivinoda Thakur wrote in an article, he said,
ये वास्तव राधा गोविंद की सेवा प्राप्ति के लिए क्या
actually to attain the service of Radha Govinda, we must get the mercy of Gaur Sundar.
जब तक गौरसुंदर की कृपा
If we haven't gotten the mercy of Gaur Sundar, actually we cannot get the mercy of Radha Govinda.
है चैतन्य चरितामृत में
In
कृष्ण
Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, he also wrote. Actually, Mahaprabhu himself told,
प्रेम नहीं अन्न दीते है महाप्रभु स्वयं करे
Mahaprabhu himself said,
हम लोग जो कहते हैं ब्रज प्रेम में प्राप्ति हो जाए किंतु जब
so we want to get Braja Prem, etc. But if we don't have the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, we cannot get Braja Prem.
कली युग में
Especially in Kali Yuga.
जिनंदन गौ
Only Sachinandana Gaura Hari, indeed, he can give Prem to us in this Kali Yuga.
गौरसुंदर के प्रति
So, we must have a lot of anurag, a deep attachment for Gaur Sundar.
किंतु ये लोग समझते हैं जितने
But people don't understand.
बड़े बड़े पंडित है सब भागवत करते रहते हैं हमारी गौड़ी उमर से भी जो भागवत है हम करते हैं
Even great pointers, they only do Bhagavad Saptaha. Also in Nagodiya Mata also.
करके प्रचार करो
Preach about Gaur Sundar, come on. Speak the Katha of Gaur Sundar.
इसलिए अनुभाष्य में शिला
So in the Anubhashya commentary of Chaitanya Charitamrita,
प्रभाष्य में शिला
Srila Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada and also Amrita Prabhavasya commentary of Bhaktivinoda Thakur to Chaitanya Charitamrita, that we should always codify about Gaur Sundar.
कथा ही राधा कृष्ण गोविंद की
The Katha of Gaur Sundar is actually the Katha of Radha Govinda.
किंतु गौरसुंदर की कथा बोलो
So we should speak about the Katha of Gaur Sundar.
गौरसुंदर की कथा हम नहीं श्रवण करें
If we haven't heard the Katha of Gaur Sundar,
आगे तो दिव्य चिद मैथुन मैथुन लीला को हम समझ नहीं पाएंगे
we'll not be able to understand the transcendental conjugal affairs of Radha and Krishna. Otherwise, we'll think that
चिद
they're material things.
समझ में नहीं आते शब्द जो है अर्थात अपराध
So, Chit Maitun Dharma, like transcendental
जो क्रिया
transcendental activities between
के साथ कृष्ण
divine couple. Do you know these activities, this transcendental love, conjugal love, transcendental? How can you understand this? You don't understand a thing about it.
इसलिए कहते हैं भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर इस
So, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he wrote one thing. He said,
अपराधिक चित
this transcendental Chit Maitun Lila, like Chit spiritual Maitun is like
अनेक तो रसग्रंथ है लोग भी
couple like this, and Lila pastimes like this transcendental conjugal affairs of Radha Krishna.
अपरागित दिव्य लीला
So many transcendental divine conjugal pastimes. People read about it, but people cannot understand these things. Why?
चैतन्य
Because if we haven't had the
अनन्य होकर के सेवा न करें
serving, if we're not serving Mahaprabhu one pointedly, then we cannot understand these leelas of Radha Govinda.
हम गौरसुंदर के चरण में
So,
समर्पित कर दें
If we offer, surrender ourselves to the feet of Gaura Sundara, then spontaneously Radha Prema will come in our hearts.
देखो वास्तव इसलिए कह रहे हैं
This is true, yes.
ये गौरसुंदर की कथा
So the Katha of Gaura Sundar should be preached in this world.
है भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर
Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur.
है चलो कुछ लोग तो कर रहे हैं किंतु शुद्ध रूप में नहीं हो रहा है जैसे वो हर
Okay, some people, they do this but not purely.
सुनते थे बहुत सुंदर लगता
So when Gurudeva used to be here, this devotee, I don't know, this person would come and he would explain about Mahaprabhu. It was very beautiful but not
है
pure.
मनोरंजन में हो जाते हैं
Sometimes he would say some things just to attract the people. He was not speaking purely, like pure Harikatha, not pure. Shuddha, not.
इसलिए कहते हैं महाप्रभु के कथा महाप्रभु के विचार
So the Katha and conceptions of Mahaprabhu, we must preach in a pure way in this world.
इसलिए कह रहे हैं सचिनंदन गौर हरि है जिस कारण से
So why Mahaprabhu came to this world? Why did he come?
राधा भाव और कांति लेकर के वही कृष्ण
The same
रूप
Krishna,
में प्रकट
taking the moods and the complexion of Srimati Radhika, he appeared.
भाव कांति चूरी करी कृष्ण अवतीर्ण होइल गौर रूप धरी। राधे के भाव और कांति लेकर के चोरी करके
He took the complexion of Srimati Radhika.
प्रकटित हुए।
He manifested in the form of Gaura Sundar.
और सुंदर रूप में प्रकटित होकर के जगत जीवों के कैसे सुंदर
And then how he is
आदि दे रहे हैं।
teaching so much to the jivas of this world, teaching so many things to them.
महाप्रभु के विचार हमें ग्रहण करना है।
We have to accept the moods of Mahaprabhu.
समझ नहीं पाते हैं महाप्रभु ने क्या किया। प्रभु कहे,
Some people don't understand
महामंत्र
what Mahaprabhu told.
सबे करिया निर्बंध यह हईते सर्वसिद्धि होइबे सवार यह वही ना बोलिबे ना बड़ाइबे। कोई श्लोक में और भी लिखा गया आमा प्रति
Some shlokas explain even more. Other shlokas. Mahaprabhu told, if you love me, you have to chant the Mahamantra Hare Krishna, nothing else. Mahaprabhu told,
यदि आप लोग मुझे
if you really love me, if all of you, if you have affection for me, Mahaprabhu said, then what you have to do is
ना बोलिबे यार।
to chant these holy names, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
यदि
Mahaprabhu said,
में कहे गए श्राद्ध आदि कार्यों का अनुष्ठान में भगवत सेवा की भावना से करना चाहिए। हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा कृष्णा
we have to chant the Mahamantra Hare Krishna.
बोलो हरे कृष्णा 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 जो महामंत्र कहा गया है 32 अक्षर और
32 syllables, 16 names, Mahamantra.
ये कलियुग के महामंत्र है।
This is the Mahamantra of Kali Yuga. But some people from Babaji Sampradaya, they say, oh no, they create their own things.
गणतंत्र भाव लगा दिया मन करने
They put their own thoughts and whatever they think it's true, they just, let's chant Nitai Gaura Radhesham, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram. They are chanting this.
इधर इधर के लगे नहीं
Or here and there many things. No.
जपनियो कई कहते स्मरणीय।
So some you say you cannot even chant aloud, only think about, only you can think, meditate on holy names. But Mahaprabhu himself was chanting loud and he told everybody to chant loudly Hare Krishna. So the teachings that Mahaprabhu gave,
महाप्रभु की शिक्षा को ग्रहण कर
we have to accept his teachings and imbibe ourselves with his ideas.
महाप्रभु के कथा
So the Katha of Mahaprabhu, yes, everybody preach about Mahaprabhu, so many preachings there, Babaji Sampradayas and others. But it's not a Shuddha Prachar, pure preaching, because they are putting their own thoughts, like their own opinions and inside. They are not preaching purely, what is it? So how to preach about Mahaprabhu? Taking the conceptions of Mahaprabhu means preach his conceptions. What teachings Mahaprabhu gave to the world? Everybody should chant Harinam. Which Harinam?
नाम हरे नामैव केवलम कलो नास्ति व गतिरन्यथा। कलियुग में और कुछ करना नहीं
In Kali Yuga, don't have to do anything else. Only Nam Sankirtan. And which Nam Sankirtan?
कीर्तन 16 नाम 32 अक्षर।
The one which has 16 names, 32 syllables, as mentioned in the Kali Santana Upanishad. Many people, they chant opposite. Even great panitas, they chant in opposite order, sequence. You can see in the YouTube, like such great acharyas, panditas, what they are chanting. Ram. We have to start with Hare Ram. Because Mahaprabhu said it was Veda mantra, a mantra from the Vedas, and he saw that people were not supposed to chant this, they were not qualified to chant this mantra of the Vedas, so Mahaprabhu preached opposite way, like first Hare Krishna. So they say like this. No, but from Kali Santana Upanishad explains, first is Hare Rama, Hare Krishna in the Mahamantra. And also now there are so many books published by Gita Press. This Gita Press publishing books, and then they are preaching all this wrong philosophy in their books. They are destroying the pure preaching. The conception of Mahaprabhu, the pure conception of Mahaprabhu, what is it? So we have to preach a lot about Mahaprabhu in this world. Especially North Indian people, they don't even want to hear about him. In Bengal there is something going on, yes. This is Bengali people stuff. People have this kind of prejudice. This is Bengali stuff. We don't want this. This is book from Bengali people. Ah, yes, so which book is from the Hindustani? From North India or Pakistani? Come on.
यही है कली के विडंबना कहा जाता है।
This is the Kali Yuga, nothing else. Influence of Kali.
ये हो जाता है, उद्धार होना नहीं चाहता। महाप्रभु के विचारधारा शुद्ध है।
This pure conception of Mahaprabhu.
हाँ, भगवान के मानना नहीं चाहते।
They don't even want to accept Bhagavan.
क्या करें?
What to do?
पढ़ते हैं।
Yeah, people read the Bhagavatam. Bhagavatam explains clearly everything. What? In the 11th canto Bhagavatam, the conversation about Navajogendra Maharaj explains clearly who is worshipable in this Kali Yuga, who is Bhagavan to be worshipped in Kali Yuga. Who? What are the symptoms to recognize God in Kali Yuga? That he is a worshipable deity. This verse explains. This verse is very clearly Krishna Vanantusha Krishna. Panditas, they also read this shloka, but they give opposite meaning to the same verse. Oh, they say, so these two shlokas of Bhagavatam make clear that God is Mahaprabhu will appear in Kali Yuga. It's very clear in this verse explaining. People read this verse, they know, but even great pantas, they give their own commentaries to this verse. They say, this verse is to speak about Ramchandra and this and that. So Kali Yuga, what? Mahaprabhu appears as the Prachanna avatar, the hidden incarnation. There are many verses mentioning about Mahaprabhu. That's why Gurudeva, he made one book called he is quoting this book of Gurudeva. He gives many evidence from the scriptures how Mahaprabhu is God, and this is proved in the scriptures. So this book should be a lot given to the people. People should read this book. What is the evidence that Mahaprabhu is God? This book is there of Gurudeva. Everybody should read this book. It's in Hindi, but who are reading? How many people are reading this book? Very few people are reading, so they don't have taste. So Mahaprabhu is God himself, Swayam Bhagavan. So there are evidence in the scriptures, and Gurudev in this book he highlighted all these evidence of the scriptures he quoted. So here is explaining how. Look. So 22, page 22. Since Mahaprabhu is the combined embodiment of Radha and Krishna, why not worship only him, by which the worship of divine couple will automatically be accomplished? Or should one worship Radha and Krishna and Mahaprabhu separately? Mahaprabhu, the spiritual master of the entire universe, has settled these questions by personally appearing in the mood of a devotee. He demonstrated by his own example how to perform devotion unto Lord Krishna and advised the jivas to do the same. Following his instructions, we should worship Radha and Krishna Yugala. But before rendering service unto the divine couple, one should first of all meditate upon the spiritual master and Gauranga Deva. So we have to very clear objective and direct is we have to serve Radha Govinda under the guidance of Mahaprabhu. This is the conclusion, and you get two fruits if you do this. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he wrote that if you, under the guidance of Mahaprabhu, if you serve the divine couple Radha and Krishna, you'll get two fruits. Two fruits you'll get. Two fruits. In one form, you go to Vraj to serve Radha and Govinda, and in another form you go where? To Shetadvip Dham, and you go to the Dham of Mahaprabhu. So one Audarjamai Seva, you get the Seva Audarja, and also at the same time you serve Radha Govinda in the Madhuryamai Seva. One in the sweetness mode, Radha Govinda, and Mahaprabhu is magnanimity. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur explains, very fortunate souls, they will serve Govinda under the guidance of Mahaprabhu.
करने से गौर सुंदर अथवा अथवा कृष्ण में अभेद बुद्धि नहीं रखते। अभेद बुद्धि होने से श्री कृष्ण सेवा पूजा में चैतन्य महाप्रभु के स्मृति।
Page 22, last paragraph. In answer to the second question, it may be noted that by worshipping Mahaprabhu separately, one is unable to understand how he is not different from Krishna. You see, in our Gaudiya Mata, we have three deities in the altar: Sachidananda Gaur Hari and the divine couple. Means under the guidance of Gaur Sundar, we can get the service of Radha Govinda, because Shastra also explains that if you have the mercy of Gaur Sundar, then you can get the service of Radha Govinda, the divine couple. This sloka explains clearly. Navavanam means Navadip Dham. Those who take shelter of Navadip Dham, very easily they can get Vrindavana Dham. Those who don't take shelter of Navadip Dham, they never ever will attain Vrindavana Dham. Maybe they are sitting in Vrindavana Dham, they can do anything, but you cannot get the transcendental Vrindavana Dham. So he's asking those who live in Vrindavana but don't follow Mahaprabhu, until when? Sorry, what is the topmost place they can get? If they are one pointed to Braj and maybe Sakya they go, I don't know exactly. Ask them where do they go. What Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, I'm saying. But first of all, in Kali Yuga, only Gaura Sundara will give prema. Actually, maybe life after life they will be life after life trying, and then later on they have to accept the guidance of a Gaura Bhakta, and they will have to be born in Navadvip at one point. Even so, they will go here and there, like those who are in Braj but not following Mahaprabhu. Like you can touch your nose coming direct, but you can also put your hand around your neck and around your head and then touch your nose. Sorry, you can touch your nose directly or round your head and then touch your nose. It means sooner or later they'll have to take shelter of Mahaprabhu. Because Mahaprabhu told, without me, no one else except me can give Braja Prem. You have to understand this point. Mahaprabhu is saying, in Kali Yuga, this Braja Prem, in Kali Yuga, only me, only I will give. So this is the hand of Mahaprabhu, this Braja Prem. Only one, Sachinandana Gaura Hari in Kali Yuga. You have to take shelter of the feet of Mahaprabhu in Kali Yuga. Maybe not in this birth, other life, maybe you take many lives, but you have to take birth in Navadvipadam at one stage. To get the mercy of Gaura Sundar, you must get the mercy of Gaura Sundar. Now you don't want to go, but sooner or later you have to go. So better to go quickly. Go quickly to the abode of Mahaprabhu. Take shelter of Mahaprabhu as soon as possible then, because sooner or later you must do it. Then if you take shelter of Mahaprabhu, very easily you can attain. So your question is asking only those who are, like you're asking about those who worship only Radha Krishna, not Mahaprabhu. But you have to understand the Siddhanta of this Shastra. In the Bhagavatam explains who is the worshipful deity of Kali Yuga. I told this in the Bhagavatam, but the Pandits, they speak about the shloka, but they are not giving the proper meaning. They also don't give attention so much to this point. Whatever you do, you have sooner or later to take shelter of Mahaprabhu. Especially in this Kali Yuga is called Dhanya Kali, that's the Kali Yuga. So very easily you can attain to the goal. So try to understand this very well. This Kali Yuga is called Dhanya Kali, blessed Kali Yuga, where Mahaprabhu came, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came. That's why he came. He came to deliver all the living entities from north to south, east to west, everywhere. Mahaprabhu, what did he do? He was preaching. Our Bhaktivinoda Thakur, you see, in his own life history, biography, Bhaktivinoda Thakur wrote, I don't know if you have heard or read, Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, I see with my divine vision that after 400 years, all people on earth, everyone will together give up all other religions. They will only take shelter of the feet of Mahaprabhu, and they will chant Ha Gauranga, Ha Gauranga, and they will preach and chant holy names, Mahamata Hare Krishna, as preached by Mahaprabhu. You know, in the life history of Bhaktivinoda Thakur, this is not my katha, this is written in a biography of Bhaktivinoda Thakur. You can read. He is Kamala Manjara, he told. So when that day will come, Kabe Habe Bolo Sedina Amar. That day will come, yes, it will come. After 400 years. So he told, within 400 years, everyone on earth will together, giving up all other religions and duties, and no one will be like Muslim, Hindu, or these other religions. They will give up all other religious philosophies. Christian, no one will follow these other things. They will take shelter of only Mahaprabhu, and they will sing Ha Gauranga, Ha Gauranga, and do the kirtan. And this Nama Sankirtan of Mahaprabhu.
Krishna, 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. When
Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur said this prophecy, he told this prophecy it will come true. Maybe it will take time, but it will come true. Some people will die on the way and many things will happen, but this prophecy will come true. Nature will arrange and this prophecy will come true. Chant holy names.
इसलिए कहता है पृथ्वी ते जतकथा धर्म नामे चले, पृथ्वी ते जतकथा धर्म नामे चले.
I'm sorry, I don't know why sometimes it's freezing up. I don't know.
कुछ भी कर दे, किंतु महाप्रभु के चरण में आश्रय लेना ही पड़ेगा.
So whatever they do, sooner or later they must take shelter of the feet of Mahaprabhu.
अति सहज रूप में.
So this Danya Kali, very easily you can attain.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hi, Midesh. Hare. ये गौर सुंदर. अच्छा, फिर आते के गुरुदेव को मुकुंद.
Okay, time's up. So to see Gurudeva as the deer of Mukunda. Meditate on the spiritual master as very dear to Shri Mukunda.
गुरुदेव समस्त जीवों की भवबंधन से मुक्ति प्रदान करने वाले मुकुंद के.
The spiritual master is known as Mukunda Prishta, or one who is very dear to Shri Mukunda. So you should understand that Gurudeva is very dear to Krishna, and by his mercy you can attain the mercy of Krishna. Without his mercy you cannot attain anything. So how to attain the mercy of Guru Pada Padma? So here is also saying, page 23, it is therefore fully appropriate to consider the spiritual master as an intimate servant of Srimati Radhika. According to the statement of the scriptures, Acharya Man Vijanyat, the spiritual master is known as the embodiment Swarupa of Bhagavan. In Hari Bhakti Vilasa and elsewhere, this has been explained to mean that the Guru is very dear to Bhagavan, or that he is equally worshipful as the Lord. So I'll worship. Some people think I'll worship only Gurudev, not Radha and Krishna. Some people think, but this is also an offense. How to understand Gurudeva? Gurudeva is dear to Mukunda. By the mercy of this Gurudeva, who can attain the mercy of Lord. So all of you know this shloka. Krishna said, a devotee who worships the spiritual master first and then worship me attains perfection. It is fruitless to worship me alone. So you think Guru is everything and you don't worship Bhagavan, and you preach that Guru is Bhagavan, and you don't speak or preach about Radha and Krishna. Some people, some sampradayas, they do this, but this is also not proper. You should serve Radha Krishna Mahaprabhu under the guidance of Gurudeva.
गुरु में प्रसन्न नहीं होते।
Otherwise, Guru also is not pleased. The Guru won't be pleased if you serve his also worshipful deity.
गुरुदेव के इष्ट की कोई सेवा करे, गुरु प्रसन्न।
Then Guru is pleased.
उसके अनुगत्य में सेवा करना पड़ा।
But you have to serve his deity under the guidance. So Krishna told,
मेरे पूजा करने वाला भक्त सिद्ध को प्राप्त करता है, अन्यथा मेरा पूजा निष्फल हो जाता है। इसके विपरीत तो दुर्बुद्धि परायण दाम्भिक व्यक्ति गुरुदेव को छोड़कर केवल भगवान का पूजन करते हैं। विपरीत रूप में देखा जाए, गुरु छाड़ी गोविंद भजे सही पापी नरक मजे भगवान की पूजा करते हैं। कहते हैं वह नराधम भगवान का कोप भाजन हो जाता है। जैसे सूर्य जल, जिस प्रकार जो सूर्य
when a lotus flower is situated in the water, the rays of the sun cause it to blossom. The same sun, however, will wither a lotus that is not situated in water. In this example, the spiritual master is compared to water, and the Supreme Lord is compared with the sun. This is the purport of the following verse.
कमलम जलाद अपेतंग सुसति रवीर न सुसति। ये समस्त शास्त्र प्रमाण दे रहे हैं।
So the Shastra gives all these evidences.
गुरु छाड़ी गोविंद भजे सही पापी नरक मजे। ये गुरुदेव के अनुगत्य में राधा गोविंद की सेवा अथवा राधा गोविंद की सेवा करने के लिए गुरुदेव को ही अनुगत्य करना पड़ता है।
So to serve Radha Govinda, you have to serve under the guidance of Gurudeva. Vanchakal.
तथा सूर्य